In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, my dear students of grade 11, welcome again to this recorded lesson. It's Unit 1, and today we are going to deal with summary making. Summary making. So it's the question that comes in your exam paper, and here today we are going to deal on how to summarize and how to make a summary making. So a summary making here, we have what we call summary skills. I have to have skills to write this or such summary. A summary writing skills are your means of expressing that you have read and understood the text. Okay, so let's go back here. Summary writing skills are your means, your tools of expressing, of telling that you have read and understood the text very well. So, here, what should a summary paragraph include? So, what should a summary paragraph include? First, a summary includes the end, sorry. First, a summary includes the identification of the source. You have to identify, you have to deal with the source, the original source. Second, the controlling idea, the main idea, the major idea. Number three, it's a description of the development of the idea. It should be in the form of a paragraph. A summary should be in the form of a paragraph. A summary also should be written in your own words. It should be written in your own words, with your own words, and not you copy just the words and put them into a paragraph. Now, a summary also contains only the ideas of the original text. So I have an original text, I have to read it very well, and I have to get the idea, then I have to write on my own words and stick to the original text in their ideas or in its ideas. Write a last sentence that wraps up your summary, that wraps up your summary or concludes your summary. Now, to write a good summary, I have now to write a good summary. So I have to use what we call connectors. These are the connectors: first, second, third, moreover, furthermore, in addition, however, whereas, on the other hand, in conclusion. So, in conclusion, here, all these words are colored connectors and should be found in your summary in order to be a good summary. Now, always you will encounter and find this question in your exam paper. In a paragraph of 4 sentences only, summarize and paraphrase the passage in answer to the question. So your summary is a paragraph made up of 4 sentences only, not more than 4 sentences, and not less than 4 sentences. What I have to do, I have to summarize and to paraphrase the passage, the original passage, in order to answer the question Okay, for example, what are the different types of pollution and their causes? The question here, what are the different types of pollution and their causes? Here, this question should be answered in a paragraph of 4 sentences, of course, according to the passage and not in general. I have to find the ideas in your paragraph or your paragraphs that are in harmony with the question here. So, types of pollution, their causes. Now, this is the original text. Let's read it together. This is the original text, and we are to summarize this text only using a paragraph of 4 sentences. Let's start here. There are many kinds of pollution. Air pollution can be caused by liquids or gases that make the air harmful to breathe. Soil pollution can be caused by pesticides, oil spills, and other chemicals which get into the soil. Water pollution can be caused by waste products and litter in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Some scientists believe that water water pollution is the largest cause of death and disease around the world. Radioactive pollution can be caused by leaks or spills of radioactive materials. These are the most common of the pollutants and their causes. So now we have just read the paragraph and we are going to summarize this into 4 sentences, okay, in order to get a good summary. Now we have a suggested summary. Let's see here together, of course. I can write air pollution results from gases that make air harmful. This is a sentence, and this is a suggested, of course, summary. Sentence number 2, soil pollution can be caused by chemicals and pesticides leakage. Number 3, water pollution comes from waste products and litter in rivers, lakes, and oceans. And sentences number 4 here, it's leaks or spills of radioactive materials lead to radioactive pollution. So what are the types of pollution here? We have air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, and radioactive pollution. Now, this is the model answer and the model summary. Look here. Air pollution results from gases that make air harmful. In addition, soil pollution can be caused by chemicals and pesticides leakage. Moreover, water pollution comes from waste products, sewage, and litter in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Furthermore, leaks or spills of radioactive materials lead to radioactive pollution. So this is the model what? It's the model summary. I can count the sentences here. You look here, I have a paragraph. Okay, I have a paragraph, sorry. Its indentation here, a margin. I started with capital. You see here in yellow color the connectors, in addition, moreover, furthermore. Now I count the sentences. This is sentence number 1. The red is the sentence number 2. Here it's the red sentence number 3. And here the sentence number 4. Okay, so that's the excellent, or let's say the final production of a summary making. That's all for today. Thank you